Double stripes. Got Bumblebee coming through. Real Dodge Charger here. Got the Bud Light in the window. Hood activity. See, that's why this meet ain't gonna last too much longer. But anyway, since we're already out here, let's look at the lineup. What up, man? Look at that. You got the wide body front end. Clean. Hood pins on the Charger. I like it. Yo. Slammed. I know y'all seen this before. 50th anniversary, I think. That's the 50th anniversary, yeah. Slammed. Hood pins. One of the rare times you actually see my car clean. You know what I mean? Got more people coming in. We got the skyline behind us. So we downtown right now. Everybody chilling right now. Let's go look at the lineup. Everybody out here. Wide body. Cat. Lane hogs. Lane hogs. We got the queen. The queens. Everybody out here. Got the lane hogs. I like that. Double stripes. Got Bumblebee coming through. Z01. Got El Capitan. Capitan. Yeah. Got the loudest SRT Jeep ever. Real Dodge Charger shit right here. Got the Bud Light in the window. Real Charger shit. It's go time. I'm taking my time. They going crazy. Oh, they going crazy. He know he messed up. I'm taking my time, y'all. That's too many cars. Look at this hood stuff going on. Look at all this hood stuff. Hood activity. Making all that noise in the RT over there. Got an SRT Jeep behind us. Big RT wrapped. That's juice right there. I don't even think people realize it. Now mind you, we downtown. We ain't going absolutely nowhere. But they doing all that. In front of the Carolina Panthers stadium. Mind you. outside. My man got one leg out.
Yes, sir. You know, goddamn.
Got him out.
Yes, nigga, yes. Start the beat one time, bro. Get me outside.
That can't be her daily driver. That's got to be like that's got to be a little fuck around.
She ain't got it.
See what I'm saying? Hate the spot. Hate the spot. Hate the spot. What the fuck are we running for?